Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by closing Illustrator and saving any open work. This prevents data loss. Once done, make a quick backup of the Preferences folder to your desktop so you can restore custom settings later. Now you'll trigger the built-in reset. Hold Shift plus Control plus Alt on Windows or Shift plus CMD plus Option on Mac as you launch Illustrator. When prompted, confirm you want to delete current settings. This step clears corrupted preferences immediately and restores default tool behavior. After the initial reset, you should remove leftover preference files that the launcher might have missed. Locate the Adobe Illustrator folder in App Data/Preferences on Windows or ~library/preferences on Mac and delete the prefs file for your version. Once done, clear Illustrator caches by deleting the cache folder or emptying system temporary folders to remove stale data. Then open Illustrator and reset the active workspace via Window Workspace. Reset so panels. Relaunch Illustrator and open a simple document to verify tools, panels, and shortcuts are back to default. If you need specific custom settings, copy only the necessary backed up preference files back. Do this cautiously to avoid reintroducing corruption. Make sure to run Illustrator with standard permissions. On Windows, try Run as Administrator if permissions block files. If problems persist, uninstall or reinstall Illustrator and remove residual Adobe folders before reinstalling. As a troubleshooting tip, a fresh reinstall often fixes stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.